Hi, this is Danish. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. So I will discuss today about the Prince Edward Island and the Prince Edward Island, how to check your eligibility. So I already opened it. I can show you that how open this page. You have to search by like a PEI eligibility, and then the official website is princeedwardisland.ca. You have to open this, and it's latest updated August 2020 and 20 August. And what is the eligibility of this PNP program? You should have at least federal skilled worker program, or like you have an express entry profile. You must have an express entry profile, then you can eligible for the Prince Edward Island. This is the first step. After that, you have to click here. So you have to open this PDF document. So this PDF document is so this document I will tell you about the points. For the age, it's 20 if you have an express entry profile with the job offer or without job offer. It doesn't matter that you don't have a job or you have a job offer. So age for 20, language 20, education 50, work experience 20, employment 10, and adaptability is 15. Here is a little different if you have a job offer. Usually the people don't have a job offer, so I will calculate from here. So the people don't have a job offer. And now I will tell you the age and in detail, and language detail, education details. So next step is that if your age is like 25 to 29, you will get 20 points. If your age is 30 to 44, 15 points. That's very relaxation age in this program. That 44, you get the second highest most points in age factor. So the second is that it's CLB 9 or 10. CLB 9 you will get 20 points, or CLB 9 is we call in IELTS is 8777, 8 in IELTS, 8 in listening, sorry. So next step is your education. Education, you will get the maximum point of 15 if you have a master level or doctorate or PhD, any degree. So you will get 15 points. If you have a 3 years bachelor university degree, so it will be count in 12. And the most important is that if you have experience 6+, so you will get the maximum point here 20. And of course you cannot adaptability, like you have no experience in Prince Edward Island, so it's like a 0 for you. Neither you have a assessment, like you just neither you have a verify any document to regular body, which is PEI. PEI means Prince Edward Island. So it's for the employment it's 0. So further I go down. Sorry, I got the phone. So now I tell you that it's adaptability. Okay, here you can see that all the things about the Prince Edward Island, like if you have a property or residency, so at least for 12 years, so you will get the 5 points. And you have education in PEI 5, or like you are living your close family, like your siblings, brother and sister, parents live in PEI, so you will get extra 5 points, but they should living in 12 consecutive months. And if your spouse is coming with you, you will get 5 points if he has a CLB 6 or higher in English, and he has experience in within 5 years, 3 years, so you get the 5 points. So here you can maximum 10 points if you are going with your spouse. If you are not going with the spouse and you are applying alone, so this is also for 0, no points for here. So I tell you that all the things in detail. So maximum you can achieve, like you can achieve only 70 points, because the employment is for you 0, and adaptability is 0. So sorry, it's not 30 points, 70 points is more than 70 points. Like if you minus the 10 and 15, like 25 minus, so it will be like 75 maximum you can achieve. If your age is less than 29, and so many things are countable. If you are going with the spouse, so you can add more 5 or 10 points here. Anyhow, I hope you will understand the Prince Edward Island PNP program, and the people thinking is that you need the job offer. No, for the PEI and SINP you don't need the job offer, but job offer will give you extra points. Thank you, have a nice day, like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.